Hello everyone. Last class we learned about the chapter Who Will Be Ningto. I hope you completed the new words and its meaning. So today we can write down question and answer and other textual activity. Okay, question number 1. Name the place in Manipur where the Ningto and Laima ruled. Ningto and Laima ruled in the land of Kangli Park in Manipur. Number 2. Why did the people of Kangli Park love their king and queen? The people of Kangli Park love their king and queen because they love the people and always thought of making them happy. Question number 3. Why did Ningto want to choose a future king? Ningto wanted to choose a future king because the king was growing old. Number 4. How did the king want to select their future king? The king did not want to follow the old custom. He wanted to choose the future king by holding a contest. He wanted to see who was worthy of being the future king. What kind of child was Sanatombi? Sanatombi was soft and beautiful from inside. She could feel the pain of others like animals, trees, birds, and peoples. Question number 6. Have you ever seen an animal or bird in pain? What did you do? So this is the answer. You can write your own answer. Otherwise, you can use this answer. Once a little parrot fell in a yard of my house. I saw someone had tied its leg with a string. It had escaped but could not sit or fly anymore. I pick it up. I cut the string with a razor very carefully. Then I release it. It flew away immediately. Question number 7. Where is Manipur on the map of India? Manipur is the northeastern part of India on the border of Myanmar. Number 8. What language do the people of Manipur speak? There is option is there Assamese, Meiteilon, Mizo. The answer is Manipuri and some villages the language Meiteilon is also speaking. Okay, so you write the answer Manipuri. Next one. Who do you think should have been made the future king? Sanajoba, the one who jumped through the tree. Sanaima, one who jumped over the tree. Sanatomba, the one who uprooted the tree. Why do you think so? I think so because he was brave. He completed won the contest. But there is no future king is not there. Okay, so no need to write that answer. Next one. Who was made the future king and why? Sanatombi was made of the future queen because she could feel the pain of not only human, out of birds, animals, and trees also. So no one will not be the king, but the queen is Sanatombi. Next one, write the meaning of following in English. Tungi Ningto. This you have to write in the textbook and a notebook, both. Okay. Before that, one more is there. Say aloud the words following names in your mother tongue. In Manipuri, Ningto, what is in your mother tongue? That is Ningto means Rajavu, Leima, Rajni, Miyam, Rajyam, Kong Kong, Almaram. Okay, in Malayalam. Write the meaning of the following in the English. Tunki Ningto, future king, Thoro Thoro, bravo, bravo, Paje Paje, wonderful, wonderful, Shagol Tumba Nimbo, oh, such a fine horseman. Okay, so please write down in your notebook and a textbook also. Okay. Next question. Some interesting words sounds like the noise for which they stand. You use a different tone of voice when you say these words. The voice become louder and more forceful. For example, zoom when the car, bang when the door, peep pop, flipper, flipperty flop. Say the following words and write what would make the sound or actions. So many is there. Click, chirp, whisper, bravo. So click when the camera, chirp when the birds, whisper when the mosquitoes, bravo when the boy, oh when the mother, ha when the son, hooray when the team was win, alas went to the doctor, wonderful when the girl, Hey went to the teacher. Ho went to the monster. Hope away went to the frog. So when which time we are making that sounds. Okay, so that's it. That you have to write in the textbook. There is a space, so you have to write in the textbook itself. Next one, read the lesson carefully and put the circle around all the action words with ending with ed at the end. Then write them in one column and their present form in the another column. One has been done for you. So action word with the ed at end, action word in the present form. So one is given there, admitted, admit. So you have to find out more words in this chapter. So lived, leave, pierced, pierce, flapped, flap, looked, look, walked, walk, finish, finish. So there is only three, writing only three is there, but these all you can write in your notebook. So action word you write down, action with the end at ed. Then next column, action word in the present form. So both you have to write in the both columns. You draw in the two column in the text, sorry, notebook itself. Then write these words. So you can find out more words also. There is no issues. Craned, crane, carried, carry, turn, turn, shock, shock, replayed, replay. And then the last question, sorry, not last. Next question, fill in the correct word in the blanks and complete the story. So there is three words are given in the bracket, so you have to find out the correct answer. So you have to write the rare given spaces. In the forest there lived a goblin named Cruel. One day he met an old man wandering in the forest. Immediately Cruel leapt on to the old man's shoulder and ordered him, "Let's go, move fast." The frightened old man obeyed the nasty goblin and walked on. As they moved on, he noticed that the goblin feet were very tender. The old man asked Cruel, "Sir, how are your feet so soft and tender?" Cruel replied, "I have taken a vow that I will not touch the ground with my feet till I wash them." They soon came to the pool. The goblin instructed the old man to wait for him while he entered the pool. The old man thought to himself, "Now that the goblin was wet his feet, he does not need me. Let me run for my life or he will surely eat me up." So he ran off. So this is the story full dealing with past tense. Okay. So read the story 2 or 3 times, then you will get the idea. Okay. Then make a list of the action word from this story. ed in one column is ed action words, then the column irregular action words. Okay, so ed action word means the word start ending with the ed and the present form is not ed. So when the present form is a word and its past tense is ending with the ed. Okay, then the irregular forms, present is one word and the past tense is one another, so entirely different. So that is irregular action and regular actions. Okay, so here is the one example, leave, leaved, that is ending with the ed. So present tense is leave, then the action word is ed. Okay, that is past. Then at the same time the regular action meet, met. So find out some more words, leave, leaved, love, loved. So these example also you have to write in your notebook also. So some space is there, 4 column is there to write in the textbook, that you have to write. Then remaining ones are you have to write in the notebook also. So leave, leaved, love, loved, flap, flapped, stop, stopped, shock, shocked, change, changed, remain, remain, happen, happened, turn, turned. This is the present word is adding ed, then the get, it's past. So here, but irregular action words, these two are different. Meet, met, grow, grew, ride, rode, stand, stood, fall, fell, hold, held, sit, sat, say, said, lay, lay. Okay, so many words are there. Okay, the next one, that is in project work. Sit in a group 5. Now each students will tell a story, decided which story was the best and declare the a Ningtu and Lame of the group. So that is not need because this only we can conduct from in the classroom, but we can do as a assignment that we'll do later. Okay, so today we can wind up the story, and I hope you understood this one. And if you have any confusion in anything, you can ask to me directly. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.